And I'll introduce what I would call a high-value service is often very overlooked, and that's oral conscious sedation. Oral conscious sedation. Now, I know some of our listeners scratching their head, say, that's a high-value service? It certainly can be. First of all, there's a large segment of the population, 49% of the adults in the United States put off a visit to the dentist because of fear. And if we could provide, oral conscious sedation to make every visit a comfortable experience, has tremendous appeal to people. There's also a correlation on that particular high-value service. People that are afraid of the dentist typically haven't been to the dentist in a long time. And I'm talking a long time. I'm not talking about, they're overdue for their hygiene visit. I'm talking about having been to the dentist in 15 years, 20 years, 25 years. And very often those patients need a lot of dentistry to essentially deferred maintenance, things they haven't, things that have just kind of deteriorated over the years because of no professional care. And we have a client, we've tracked this in one of our clients. We actually track this in many of our clients, but one comes to mind where his average case for oral conscious sedation is between $7,000 and $8,000. $7,000 and $8,000. It's not particularly exotic dentistry. It's fillings, root canals, and crowns, but it's a lot of it because of the needs of that patient. And it's a great experience for the patient because they're completely comfortable. By the way, if you're at all interested in learning more about oral conscious sedation, I highly recommend the DOCS organization, DOCS, Dental Organization for Conscious Sedation. It's a terrific group. And that was one of the first courses that Paul took coming into private practice out of dental school. And you don't have to get exotic with it. You can do level 1 anxiolysis, just very simple, straightforward oral conscious sedation using triazolam. You don't have to cocktail. You don't have to multi-dose. You can just manage it very easily. I think anytime we're involving the airway, we should take as much CE as we can. So DOCS, Dental Organization for Conscious Sedation. Michael Silverberg, Dr. Michael Silverberg is the founder of that organization, good friend of the podcast. And the work that Michael and his team does is absolutely phenomenal. So there's another area of a high-value service that might interest some.